Stop.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, April 9th. Sorry, gotta get that water in. I have a lot to get done today, and with a new month comes new opportunities to be better. I feel like this is around the time of the year that a lot of people forget about the goals that they created in the beginning of the year. And I am guilty of that. It's time to be better. It's time to grow. I just had a birthday, so I really want to change my habits and just become better. So I'm just gonna eat cereal real fast, and then I want to plan out my day. I really want to clean the house. I want to plan my next few videos, organize my language studies, and I just started using Notion. Everyone's been talking about how amazing it is, and I really want to sit down and figure it out and like create my Notion hub. So those are the goals today. I also want to wash Milo because he smells, and I wash him once a week usually, and it's time. Also, you have to have your water by now. I gave you a real nice slow intro, and there's no more excuse. Get your water and let's get going. Guys, wait. Honey Nut Cheerios is my favorite cereal, but these ones are extra special because look, they're shaped as hearts. How cute is that? That's my love for you all. Good boy. Usually in the morning, especially on a weekend, I try to make like a big, really cool breakfast. I'll make like French toast, an omelet, and a veggie sausage, and it's so good. And I really wish I had time to do that, but I don't because we can't keep being lazy. And I feel like I've been wasting a lot of my potential, and I make small things like eating breakfast, long all day things. And I really want to stop doing that because I have so much to do. And I know I can be so much better. So the Cheerios are gonna have to do for today. And I really want to be as productive as possible today. So let's see how it goes. With breakfast complete, I'm ready to make my to-do list. I really want to get a lot of cleaning done. My main focus is just doing the laundry, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning up the bathroom a bit, cleaning my room, and washing Milo. So I'm going to write everything down because I do like crossing off things that I've completed, and we can get started. almost forgot about the laundry. But I'm really proud of myself so far. I just finished cleaning most of the kitchen. I'm gonna change these clothes, put these in the dryer, and then put another load in, and then we'll head to the bathroom. Getting so tired, but I'm gonna go wash Milo now and then just clean up my room, and I think we're good. I'm gonna fold the laundry on my own, but I'll wash Milo with you guys. He's officially done. Milo, come. He's all clean and fluffy. So that's awesome. I finished cleaning the kitchen. I finished cleaning the bathroom. I didn't show that, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna clean my room just later. There's not much to do, honestly. All I have to do is put up my books. And now that we're done, I feel super motivated now. I feel like it was just a step in the right direction to get me back in line and on schedule. So now I'm just going to put all my books away and start studying. So I really hope this motivated you to also like get your life together, clean up. I feel like this is gonna be the perfect way to get back on track. So I hope this motivated you to do the same, and I'll see you in the next video. Milo, say bye. Look, say bye.